symbols, hashtags, square roots, it doesn't matter. You can use every symbol you want, but still, hackers will crack your password in just 12 seconds. Today I'm going to show you why your clever tricks are failing and how you can make your password actually strong and secure. Protecting yourself is the first step to protecting your family. Subscribe to the channel if you want to keep learning how to defend yourself and your loved ones online. Your bank has the most powerful secure system in the world. But the password, that's the key. If you leave that key under the doormat, someone will find it eventually. And in just a few seconds, a lifetime of savings is gone. Today hackers, they don't guess your password anymore. They use monsters like this to find out your password. A single modern graphic card can test billions of combinations per second. If your password is only 8 characters long, even with numbers and letters, your door will be smashed open in few minutes. Okay, how is that possible? Well, math explains this perfectly. Imagine a password using only numbers from 0 to 9, but it's only 2 spaces long. There are only 100 possible combinations. But what if we use only zeros and ones and make it 10 spaces long? Now, the combinations jump to 1024. It sounds crazy, right? But it's better to increase the length rather than the complexity of a password. For example, this famous password, it seems complex, right? But it can be cracked in seconds. If we make it even harder, maybe a little more longer with a little more numbers, it will take just only a few minutes more to be cracked. The real solution is length and randomness, like this one. This type of passwords are called passphrases, and they are the hardest to break. The longer and random they are, the more effective they will be. Okay, I know what you're thinking. How can I even imagine to remember different passphrases for every website? Well, the answer is use a password manager. It's like a box when you put all your passwords inside. Imagine you are at your front door. Instead of holding a messy bunch of keys, you pull out a small safe, you type your code, and it gives you the key you need. A password manager works the same way. It's a box for all your passwords. You only need to remember the one long passphrase to open it. That's it. Now you have access to everything. And what about you? Which password manager you prefer? Let us know in the comment. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel to keep learning about cybersecurity in the easiest way. Ciao!